I filmed this dark smoky eye for fair skin. A question I get all the time is, when you have such fair skin, how do you pull off such a dark smoky eye? So this is my version of a dark smoky eye. We didn't use too much black eyeshadow, so it's not too intimidating. But yeah, perfect for any beginner, as I only used I think like 2 or 3 brushes, so super simple. And yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. So I've already primed my eyelids just with some concealer and translucent powder. Going in with my 39A palette by Morphe. I'm just going to take these 2 shades just in my crease. Right now I'm just going with this shade. And I'm just popping these kind of all over the lid and through the crease. When I get the least amount of product on my brush is when I work my way upwards. And I've just used the one brush for all of this so far. Just taking this more rich brown. Just gonna focus that more towards the lash line. Now I'm sure if you've watched any of my videos, you will know that I'm quite messy, so I always do my eyes first and then wipe away any fallout. I also do my clients the same way. I always do their eyes first. I'm going back in with that big fluffy brush that we put the transition colors on. I'm just going back in with those 2 first shades and just blending all the edges out. Now taking that black eyeshadow from the palette and I'm just putting that right on my lash line. Now going back in with that deep brown shade, I'm just going to smoke out that black shadow. Okay, I'm going to take my Rimmel Scandal Eyes eyeliner in the shade brown. I'm just going to pop that in my waterline. Alrighty, now with that flat shader brush that we had the black eyeshadow, I'm just going to take some of that liner and just put that in between all my lashes. Taking that dark brown shadow and just setting that. Now I'm going to take more of like a fat, flat brush with the first 2 transition colors and just smoke that out. Okay, so for my inner corner highlight, I'm just going to go in with my MAC pigment in the shade Vanilla. I want kind of a more brighter inner corner highlight. I'm going to take my Jeffree Star highlight in Ice Cold. Alright, so I've just zoomed you guys out. I look a little crazy, but once we've got the full effect, it will be fine. Going in with my current favorite foundation, the Flower Beauty Light Illusion. This is shade L1, which is the lightest shade. And I find it kind of is a little bit too dark for me. Alright, when you're looking like Casper the Ghost, you know it's time to move on. So I'm just gonna put some concealer under my eyes, on my chin, around my mouth. Now just setting that. Don't worry if you get any on the eyeshadow, just because it's translucent, so it'll completely wipe away. I'm just going to set the rest of my face with that. I'm going to go in with some bronzer. I'm going to go in with my Milk Chocolate by Too Faced bronzer. One of my best tips is if you're scared of your bronzer becoming patchy, I just mix it a little bit with my translucent. It kind of helps smooth it out. Going in with my Tarte blush in the shade Captivating. I obviously love this one. I'm just going to pop that on the apples of my cheeks. Now, blush is the first thing to fade on your face, so I always go a little darker with my blush. As you'll probably see by the end of this video, the blush really just melts into the skin. I love to also just go on the top of my nose. Going in with my Becca highlight in the shade Moonstone. I'm just going to pop that on the highest points of my face. I'm gonna quickly do my brows off camera and I'll be right back. Alrighty, so I'm back and my brows are done. I did more of a dramatic brow since I've got such a dramatic eye going on. Just gonna wipe the makeup off my lips. Alrighty, time for lashes. Going to take my Model Rock lashes in the style 2. I always get questions about how I apply lashes to myself without getting frustrated and tearing them off 10 times. Literally, all I can say is I just practiced and practiced and practiced. I used to do the whole, I'm not going, rip my eyelashes off. Or I would, you know, get so frustrated that I would start like tearing up and I'd just give up and be like, I'm not going, it's not meant to be. But one day I literally just sat down and I was like, okay, I'm not leaving this chair until I work out an effective way to put these on my eye that doesn't take 20 minutes per eye and that doesn't water my eye or anything. I also get so many clients saying that they just don't know how to put them on. All I can say is just practice. Like, sounds so easy, but practice really does make perfect. I'm just going with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. This is so well loved. It goes everywhere with me. This is in the light to medium. Okay, I'm taking the shade Fawn, which is this middle bottom one. I'm just going to contour underneath my cheekbones a little bit. Always try and like pull back here. It just makes your eye look a little more smoky and it elongates that portion of your face. On the tip of my nose. I'm just going to take my Define-a-Lash mascara. I'm American now. Mascara, and just gonna blend my natural lashes into the falsies. If you're ever wearing falsies, I always suggest to put your mascara on after you put your lashes. It'll blend your natural lashes in and it actually makes the lashes feel a lot more comfortable. And just a little bit on my bottom lashes. Take my liquid lipstick in Celebrity Skin. This is a bit of a more dark nude. Alright, I'm going to take something a little lighter in the center. This is I'm Nude by Jeffree Star. Take my Essence gloss. This is in the shade Let It Go, I'm pretty sure. Yep. Just gonna pop that right in the center. I'm just gonna do the outsides of my face with my Tatcha Luminous Skin Mist. Ooh. Now I hate the smell of that, but it's so goddamn good. It makes your skin look so glowy. So this is the finished look. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be posting every week, so please in the comment box down below let me know what you want to see next. I've left my social media and everything in the description box along with all the products that I used today, so check that out. And yeah, thanks guys.